Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make a Lego cactus. You will need the following pieces: 4 1x6 plates, 3 1x1 bricks, 1 1x1 plate, 2 1x1 bricks with knobs on every side. It will have a hole in the top that you can see through. And you'll also need 2 or so of these special design bricks. These might be hard to find. I got them in the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Modular Sweet Surprises set. Okay, so let's build. First, you take one of the bricks with knobs on every side. I'm building in white because I want my cactus to be white, but if you want your cactus to be green, then you can find some green pieces of these, or just paint them green if you can't find them. And then on top of this brick, you put one of the plain 1x1 bricks, and then the tiny plate, and then you put on another plain 1x1 brick. Then on top of that, you put the second brick with knobs on every side. I've got this one in black because it won't be showing, and it was the only one I had. And then on top of that, put the last brick, plain 1x1 brick. And whoop, that's how tall the cactus is going to be. Now, on every side, place one of these 1x6 plates. That's what the knobs are for, to hold it on. Now, it doesn't look much like a cactus, but it will in a minute. That's where these final design bricks come in. You put one on one side like this, and then on the opposite side, you put the other one at a different height. And there we have a Lego cactus. Now, since this one is white, it looks like it's just a statue of a cactus. But, yeah. So, here's my Lego cactus. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more Luppets. Bye!